Got a flat? With the mile marker tire repair kit, you'll be back on the road in no time. First, inspect the tire. If you see a nail or screw, that's your culprit. Grab your pliers and pull the nail straight out. Be ready, air will start escaping fast. Next, use the reaming tool to widen and clean the hole. This helps the plug seal properly. Take a plug, coat it with rubber cement, and thread it into the insertion tool. Firmly push the plug into the hole, then pull the tool out quickly. The plug stays in, sealing the leak. Trim off any extra plug. Finally, refill the tire to the correct PSI with your mile marker air compressor. You're good to go. And remember that adventure awaits at every mile.